Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is jackfruit recipe. 250 gram jackfruits, wash with the pure water, then slice it small sizes. 100 gram jackfruit seeds, peel it and slice it. Then take a bowl, add 250 ml water, then add the chopped jackfruit and its seeds. Then put the vessel on the gas stove, flame on high flame, wait for cooking. For gravy, take 1 spoon grated coconut, 5 pieces garlic, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 green chilli and curry leaves. Put in a grinding jar, then grind it well. Add the cooked jackfruit and jackfruit seeds. Then mix it well. Mix it well. Medium flame. Then add 1 spoon coconut oil. Then mix it. Low flame. Mix it well. The recipe is ready to change a serving bowl. The very tasty and delicious jackfruit recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.